The Razer Tartarus V2 gaming keypad is designed for gamers who want more control, faster access to commands, and a layout focused entirely on gameplay. Instead of using a traditional keyboard, this one-handed keypad places essential controls within easy reach, making it especially appealing for players who rely on quick reactions and frequent key combinations. With 32 programmable keys, there is plenty of flexibility to assign abilities, shortcuts, or custom commands based on individual preferences or the requirements of different games. One of its standout features is the mecha membrane key switch design, which combines elements of mechanical and membrane technology. This approach aims to deliver a responsive key feel while maintaining comfortable operation during long gaming sessions. For players who spend hours in competitive titles or complex RPGs, having keys that are designed for both responsiveness and comfort can make organizing controls much more efficient. Customization is another major strength of this keypad. The programmable keys allow users to create personalized layouts that fit their preferred play style rather than adapting to a fixed keyboard arrangement. Support for programmable macros also adds convenience by allowing multiple commands or sequences to be assigned to a single key, which can simplify repetitive actions in supported games or applications. The inclusion of customizable chroma RGB lighting provides an additional layer of personalization. Beyond adding visual appeal to a gaming setup, customizable lighting can also help users organize key groups with different colors, making frequently used commands easier to identify during gameplay. Those who enjoy matching peripherals with an existing RGB ecosystem may also appreciate this feature. Another notable capability listed is Snap Tap, adding to the overall focus on responsive gaming controls. Combined with the programmable layout, it contributes to a keypad built around efficiency and quick access rather than serving as a general-purpose keyboard replacement. It's worth remembering that a one-handed gaming keypad is a specialized accessory. While it offers extensive customization and gaming-focused controls, users looking for a full keyboard for everyday typing will still need a separate keyboard for regular work or general computer use. For gamers who value customizable controls, macro functionality, compact design, and RGB personalization, the Razer Tartarus V2 presents a feature-rich option built specifically to enhance gaming workflows without unnecessary complexity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.